All right. Today we're with my friend. I forgot his name. Tell me your YouTube name. Yeah. YouTube. Yeah. Make sure to subscribe to him and me. Yes. All right. So today we're gonna be exploring my 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 the 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 levels that I'm most scared of in Animal Company. But I'm scared of the haunted house and the office. I've only been to the haunted house, but other people be telling me the office is really scary. But uh yeah. I don't know. Yeah. Ooh, that's pretty sweet. All right, but today if I scream, the video ends. That's right. It ends. Um all right, so let's go get some gear and let's load up. All right. No, I don't. I only have the zesty backpack. That's it. Yes, I need that one. Yeah, I need this one. Hey, do you own like? Yeah. I'm gonna need one of those. Yeah, we're gonna need some of those. Like one. I don't know. My game's kind of glitchy. It's on my stuff. All right, let's go. Hey, I'm feeling like The Office. Yeah, I'm feeling like The Office. Alright. Oh yeah, her. Where even is The Office? I forgot though. No. Yes, we killed him. Oh, all right, open it. And nothing new. I killed a chicken. Let me make sure I'm. All right. Yo, where are you? Oh, there you are. All right. Let's go up here, where my worst fear is. All right. I remember once when I was here and I saw the lady. I was screaming my booty cheeks out. I swear. Where are you? Hey, shine your flashlight. Oh, I see you. Never mind. I see you. Over here. Shoot. Nah, don't move. Don't move. Hey, kill the red light, green light monster. Help me. Help me. Help me. Run. Go. Go. Yo, you here? What happened to your pickaxe? Yo, bro, where are you? Oh, you found it. Alright, I'm kind of getting nervous right now. This is my second time being here. Bro, if I see... What is that? What is that? What is that? What the heck? I'm scared. Dude, I'm scared. We have to stay here for 2 minutes, bro. I don't know how long it's gonna be. Run. I ain't trying to make the video end, bro. Bro, tech. Yeah, I can't scream. Should we go in here? What is this? I'm scared. Yo, I'm actually scared. I'm gonna poop my pants, bro. What are these hallways, bro? Oh, I see something. Oh, it's just a soda can. Where are you? Please, bro. Please show up, bro. I'm right here. Run, bro, run. Yo. I'm scared. Where are you? What the Hey, that I didn't yell. I mean, I didn't scream. That wasn't a scream. Take it, bro. Hey, I got your pickaxe. Actually, no. Take your pickaxe. I'm scared, bro. Bro, are you actually kidding me? Yo, if I die, it's your fault. Bro, how do you die again? Bruh! Stop. Oh, wait. I'm trying. What the frick? I heard something, bro. Yeah, alright. You're good. Alright, are you good? No, my. Where are you, bro? I'm getting so scared, bro. You know what? I'm gonna be a man, and I'm not gonna be scared. Oh my gosh! You feel me? I ain't gonna be scared. Yeah. Put the key in. Quick. I ain't trying to die here. Please put the key in. What is this? Nah, what is this? We go down here. Yo, what the heck? Yo, how did I die? I think it fell down the hole, bro. Hey, bro. Let's just here. Bro, let's just here. Go to the start, and then we can do the yeah. All right, bro. So we're gonna go to my like the place that I'm actually like pretty scared. I mean, no, not pretty scared. No. Can we please just do it? Please? I want to do it with you. I ain't gonna scream for that. Hey, please. Please. Let's go. Come on. It won't take long. It won't take long. Hold on, wait. I'm gonna just take a bone with me, bro. Alright, let's go. Office. I don't know. Is this office? Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna take an RPG, bro. I'm gonna kill you. Whoever wants to kill me, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. We gotta go into the elevator. Pretty baby. Get her. If I see a monster, I'm stuck. Wait for me. Give me up. No! Hey, revive me. Yo, how are we gonna die? Alright, guys. We're gonna have to do a part 2, but it's only if we reach 30 subscribers. I'll do a part 2, alright, guys? Part 2 when we reach 30 subscribers. Make sure to subscribe, guys. Bye. Hey, bye, bro. Bye. Bye.